Good afternoon and welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a dark blue 2018 Transit Connect with a brand new Mini T conversion. The vehicle has navigation, long range remote start, max air fan, over the air antenna, solar, a hitch, shore power plug-in cord. The conversion includes 2000 watt inverter, dual house batteries, privacy curtains, WeatherTech sunshades, WeatherTech floor mats, couch that pulls out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, a microwave that can be used even if you're not plugged in, TV DVD player. Check out our available inventory online, www.dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 507-382-9446 or 651-285-7089. Happy camping!